Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Papa Rambo. Mama Ruby. Miggy. Dia. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. My pet pies. What's your fog today, Mama?
Good morning. Today is our last day here. Mag-swimming pa si Miggy, but check out na.
And this is Miggy Show TV, proper version.
Checking time. Check. Let's check. Let's check to clean. Empty. Bye-bye, cabin. There. Mag-swimming pa kami hanggang hapon. Pero mag-check out na here. Dadalhin na namin ang aming gamit. Ang ref. It's empty. Aming shoes. Kung may natira. Dapat double check. Triple check. Miggy. Continuation ng aming swimming. Today is our last day. Ganyan siya kalaki.
Okay. The plates are there. Go. Plants. Go, go, go. Hold it properly. Okay. Good job. Have the bacon. It's too far. Baby, I'll be the one to get it. Mickey likes crispy bacon. Sausage. Here. You can put it here first. Okay. How about toasted bread? Okay.
This is on my food.
Okay. How about your drink? I will be the one to get the coffee. Oh, your utensils. Come here. Your fork and your and hold properly. I will get your water.
Good
Your
job.
choco. Here, come here.
O, get your drinks.
You drink.
Siya kumuha ng food niya.
Or get your cup. Hold it properly. And wait for your turn. Okay. Put the cup in the middle. Okay. And this is... Wait. This is the chocolate. Okay.
How do you make it?
It's already prepared, mixed inside. I mean, all the ingredients are inside and it will just drop. Yay, done. Don't freak out, huh? Okay, go. Okay, Papa will get the food.
Yan siya sa labas. Ito yung loob. Ito yung labas niya. May yung river. Close. Ito may mga pool. May mga laruan. Tapos may isa pang yung mga accommodation di kasama. Lawak. We're going to have a quick tour. We still have until afternoon, early evening here. Oh, the flamingo! Oh. Here! Here, oh! They're hiding. And the turtles. They're hiding. Can you see that? There, oh. Oh, let's go to the bridge so you can see it properly. There, oh. There. Look at them. Oh, no. Only 2 left. And there's Papa. Where is it? Oh, there. Oh my God. Yeah. Maybe they're scaring the turtle. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, the turtle. Oh, look at how big is that. Oh, Miggy, this is the fish. They are giant catfish and Philippine catfish, Papa. Walking catfish or Philippine catfish. Oh, go.
Did you know we can walk on land?
Really? Smile mo na. Turn right. Look at that. Wow. Si Guy. Siya lang, paano kung nilipad din siya nung it's return na excited na siya. Ano na gina siya? Takan siya sa saan ba siya? Yun. May hagdan. Basta naka-orange. Asa na siya? Tapos taas gid. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun siya, oh. Is it allowed to do together?
Yeah.
Okay. Baba! Let's go now. Pull it line. Woo! Ready? Oh. Wait.
Lie down a bit.
Okay.
Lie down a bit.
Okay. Woo! Aray! May bambamis awit. Ang init. Yay! Aray, ang init man sa puwit. Oh, it's yellow. Bakit mainit sa puwit? Good job. Let's try the other colors. Oh my God, this one is stiff. Hi guys. Ingat there. Ako ni Miggy. Ingat there. First, Papa. Next. Red. Okay.
Lie down a bit.
Woo! 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 Aray ko! Ang init sa puwet! Aray! Oh my God! Kasi warm yung water! Whee! Woo! I like it! Good job, Miggy! High five! It's not scary at all. Come. Oh, shucks. Oh, go na, Papa. Nililinis yung river. Ito dito maganda. Meron hanggang doon. Parang meron siyang river dito. Ayan, ayan. Oh, there's a small slide pala here, Miggy, oh. You can do that here, oh. You can do the small slide. There, oh, my baby nga siya, oh. Try namin yung malaki. See? You can try this one. I'm so ready. Dito tayo sa red. Huwag natin sa yellow. Papa! Mantayan mo ako sa red! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh nice!
Oh, there.
It's Papa's turn. Papa's turn. Coming, coming. It's coming. It's Papa. Whee! You want to try with me? He's sitting with his mama. Let's go together or with Papa. You want to try? Why? You know, the kid is sitting with his mama. Look, look. Yay! You try it with Papa. Nagawa niya, no? Yabi ay. Hindi na ako maligo kasi mabigat na yung basa na damit. Silang dalawa na lang. Hindi na daw sila maligo sa lagoon, dito na lang. Kasi gusto ni Miggy ito yung slide. Takot siya dyan sa ano.
Hindi na natapanggal yung plaster. Hindi na ako. Wow, ano? Ayaw mo ng sun? Iyan ang pinunta ng mga tao dito.
Oh my God.
Yung isang Pinoy ang nagtatago sa akin.
Saka alam na rin ni Miggy no, na yung bata, pag hindi nag-i-English, di na rin niya kakausapin. Ihahayaan na lang niya. Pero kung nag-i-English yan, talagang todo make friends siya. Yung na-realize niya dito sa Germany ba na ganun. Hindi kagaya noon na talagang nag-ano siya na, ikaw sapin mo ko, bakit hindi mo ko kinakausap? Wala, hindi na ano niya yung bata. No! Let's go na. Tura niya eh. Bagsak ito mamaya. Are you tired? I will go home na. Abaw! Time check. 6:30 na. O, bye-bye na to the big slide. Bye-bye. Mag-rinse off na. Well endured. But it's just not too bad.
Only when I fall down in the
Where
rough.
else? This one?
No, that
Where's the other one? And yun?
On the side.
Yes.
no,
I think on the side of the right leg. Of the right foot.
Ito?
On the side.
Ito?
Oh.
no,
That's an old. It's okay. Go.
old
air balloons can also pop.
2 hours na lang and we're leaving. Oh, what is that? A shark?
It's a Playco.
What do you mean a Playco?
They're like a sucker mouth catfish. Oh, just move.
Oh,
Moving.
yeah.
They're
Say
like
bye-bye na.
Guys, sucker mouth catfish.
Bye-bye. And ano? Bye! Hello! Parrots. Oh, there's a small one. What is this? My baby bird. Hello? May small bird. I don't know why it's there. Okay na.
Oh, the Playco's,
Gano? Okay na, dali na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, hot air balloons.
Hi guys. Guys, we're
In Georgia. In Georgia.
vlog na.
Oh. What?
And Papa God, thank you for the
Look at you. Wonderful birthday celebration. Oh, there it is na. Oy, don't touch na. A smile.
Wait, don't end it. Don't end the no.
And there's a black one too, Papa. Look. So smile, babe. Smile, smile. Oh, you end the vlog here. Say, don't touch the ano.
Now guys, we're gonna end the vlog and say bye-bye to the axolotls.
Yeah.
Thank you, Papa God,
For my wonderful
for a wonderful
journey. Birthday.
A birthday. Oh, there's another one in
Yeah.
there.
Oh, there's more. Okay, let's go na.
Wait, I'll check.
Oh, there's more at the back. There's a lot here, oh.
Yeah.
Na-end yan daw ang vlog niya. Here, oh. Here, oh. So. Oh, no more. Say bye-bye na. Thank you. Bye-bye. Tropical Islands. Gasala-sala na siya. Bye-bye, octopus. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
I don't touch the ano, the...
Bye, axolotl.
Oh. Oh, you end the vlog na. Bye.
Wait, keep my cell phone.
This one.
This is my cell phone.
Yeah.
Eh?
Watch out. There. Free. Ano na, lubok-libok there. Okay.
Take one picture.
Okay, let's go na. Bye-bye.
Guys, we're gonna end the vlog now here. Thank you, Papa God and Papa, for my birthday celebration at Tropical Islands.
Okay. We're going to change clothes.
We're gonna change clothes and
We're next.
we're going to hotel.
Bye.
Bye. And we're going to Poland.
Tingnan niya. Bye-bye. We're leaving na. There's Papa checking out. Ayan. Yung luggage namin nandoon. Bye-bye, Tropical Islands. Islang Pantropico. Oh no. Don't run. Don't scare it. Don't scare it. Don't touch it, ah. Is it hiding? What is that? Is that an ibon na darna? Oh, a chicken, a bird. How come there's a bird here? I didn't notice, no? Okay.
That's mine.
Oh, go na. Bye-bye. Go na. Baka ano.
You're taking. Hi guys, we're still in Tropical Islands, but we're literally just a minute. Dropping out.
Wait, Barton. Wait.
Bye bye. Bye bye, baby.
Bye, baby.